Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering, here to show you how to install the rubber mounted skid plate for the 350, 250, as well as the 450 XCWs of the KTMs. Okay, the first step you're going to want to do is to put the neoprene strip that comes in your pack with the skid plate on the frame wherever the skid plate is going to come in contact. With these bikes, your mounting holes are right here in the frame, so you want to make sure you start just below them and you work your way back to the crossbar. Alright, so the next step you're going to want to do is hold the skid plate up to the frame. The first two bolts you put in are the front mounting holes. So take the provided 6x20 bolts, thread them through the skid plate, and then directly into the frame. You want to do this by hand and leave them loose. You don't want to tighten these quite yet. So the next step, you're going to want to take this skid plate strap here, or the hook. You're going to line that up right on the frame. You're going to put it in this direction here. Then you can hold that in place while you rock the skid plate up to it. And then you can take the other 6x20 bolts, thread those through the skid plate and then into that hook. Okay, now that you got both the front two bolts started as well as the two into the skid plate hook, take an 8mm, you can use a T-handle or a socket, and then just go ahead and tighten all 4 bolts down. Alright, so that's how you install the skid plate on all of the 250, 350, and 450 4-strokes of the XCW lineup from KTM. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com.